for the memories. Thank you for the education. Thank you for the affection. Thank you for the support, the understanding. To those I have offended and whose expectations I fell short of, I'm truly sorry, but I did it with my best lights. And finally, I thank God and the Filipino people for giving me this privilege and honor of serving with my best life as we continue.
I'm very happy that you're still here. And I'm very happy that, alam mo, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, no? If it were not Senator Nancy was on 12th place talaga, I'd be more aggressive. Kaya siya ay tumahimik na lang ako.